Warning! This video contains graphic imagery of actual human and animal remains, which some viewers may find disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
We're at the Anaheim Convention Center at the Oddities and Curiosities Expo. Let's go check it out. So apparently I didn't get the memo that
you're supposed to wear
black. Everyone's wearing black. Printed bones. Little Venus flytraps. It's kind of cool. That is really weird. Brain and eyes. So Cecilia, is there anything that you would recommend?
Have an open mind and expect the unexpected.
Oh, those are nice.
How about we buy a bunny picture for baby?
That's neat.
Because you'll see weird things in there.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely. You would see all kinds of weird stuff. Oh, that's awesome. What is a chamoy? Toxic Doom.
How you guys doing?
You're good, how are you?
Good, good, thank you.
Well, some of these are really crazy. Especially that one. That big green one. You want a scorpion?
No thanks.
Oh, that's like a perverted Disney. Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
This is this is like serial killer.
Sure.
That's hilarious. The Galatorium.
Wow, these beetles are huge.
Oh, you can get your tattoos here too. Another thing I would recommend is to go early, because when we got there was a lot of snack vendors and they didn't have anything when we went there.
Yeah, the food was already sold out.
Yeah.
So I guess people do like weird things to eat.
On the bottom of the glass it says, in case of emergency, break glass. I guess that is what you would use to kill a vampire. There are plenty of prints, t-shirts, and stickers. And comic books too. A friendly looking bunny.
Did you see my early show? Are you sure? Alright, we're gonna put this on my tongue. Are you ready? Alright, here we go.
Dr. Kevorkian?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. Dr. Kevorkian had a van. It's a taxidermy class. Let's see. What are they doing? They're doing taxidermy.
Our next stop is the Oddities Museum.
Nice.
We're gonna see clowns. If you don't like clowns, don't come here.
6-foot man eating chicken.
Patrons that never left. Science gone wrong.
Genetically engineered animals.
100% real mermaid.
Mermaid. Oh man.
And these things remind me of that
Jeffrey
Jeffrey Dahmer.
Dahmer. Hello. It looks realistic. What in the world? An alien.
The alien pee-pee.
Yeah. Ooh. Check this out.
Yeah.
A real life mermaid. Isn't that crazy? It's like a mummified mermaid. A mummified mermaid. Whoa. Mr. Lion. Warning. Man eating chicken. Enter at your own risk. Real monster. Turn back now. Is it scary? You scared? Oh. Oh. 6-foot man eating chicken. What you think?
I like that. It's cute.
This is like psychic. Awesome.
$100 start.
Is that real?
This is real, yes. Like a human brain? Yeah, half. Cut right down the middle. Whoa. I like the hourglass thing. That's pretty cool.
So these are music boxes.
Uh-huh.
This one will dance to its own little beat. This one sways gently back and forth like it's stuck on the waves. And then this one turns ever so gently, as well as this one.
All right. It's time to go.
Yes, let's go. We saw enough weird stuff.
Thanks for coming.
I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Do us a favor and hit that like and subscribe button.
Bye bye. I'll see you next time.